All right, guys, welcome back to class. We're going to do video edit number 2. Let's get going here. First thing we need to do is we need to download, actually the directions will tell us, we're going to need to download all 3 videos from the classroom. So we're going to go to the first video. We're going to click the download button right up here. And we're going to do that for all 3 videos. We'll have the summer forest video. We'll have this background video, which is of the ocean, and then we have a T-Rex video. We'll go and fast forward while I download this. All right, we're back. We're going to go ahead and open Premiere Pro. Remember how to do that. We're going to come up here to this guy right up here, and we're going to sign in, and we're going to go to the apps, which is all of these over here. We're going to find Premiere Pro and click Open. It might take a minute to open. We're back here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click New Project. We'll go ahead and name it your name. For me, it's my name is Steve. We're going to name it number 2 after that, since it's Video Edit 2. We'll click Create. We're going to go and click the Skip button here, because I always find it easiest to just go to our Import Media right here. And we're going to go to Downloads, and we're going to find our 3 videos. I like to click on the first one, hold Shift, click on the last one, and click Import. Okay, here's our 3 videos we're going to be working with today. I'm going to try to put this over here just a little bit. Try to put the directions to the left a little bit so we can see both. Try to see both as much as we can at the same time. Okay, put the Summer Forest video on the timeline first. Okay, Summer Forest right here. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. And again, to zoom in and out of this these clips, to zoom in or zoom out, it's right there. To zoom in, it's right here. I like to have it right here for now. Okay. Next up, drag in the video clip of the ocean on top. So this is the first time we are layering videos on top. Whatever is on top, it's like a sandwich. Whatever's on top is what you taste first, is what you see first, right? So we're going to drag in this video of the ocean, put it right on top. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is where it gets tricky here. Okay, we're going to right click on the ocean video by holding Control and clicking on a video. Then we're going to go to Speed Duration and change the speed to 300. It'll make it 3 times as fast. Okay, I'm going to click on the video. I'm going to hold Control. I'm going to click. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to Speed Duration. So 100% is just the normal speed of the video. If you want it half as fast, it'd be 50%. If you want it twice as fast, it'd be 200%. As it said in the directions, we're going to change it to 300%, meaning it will be 3 times as fast. And now it went from 11 seconds to a little over 3 seconds. We'll click OK. So now, as you see here, it is just a little bit shorter. So if you want to see the difference, I'm going to do Command Z to undo just so you guys can see. You don't do this, obviously. That's what it was. And again, to see what we're going to be doing, we go to hold Control, click on the video, speed duration, 300, and now look how short that video is. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Go to the first of the icons on the right and click Effects. Okay. By the way, I don't know if I put this in the directions, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to move this, I think, like right here, right in the middle. Let's try to put like right in the middle somewhere. This is good enough. Okay. We're going to go up here. We're going to click here, which is the first of the icons, and we're going to go to Effects. Okay, so the Effects panel is where you can add different effects to your video, whether you're changing the audio, changing the video, whether you're blurring it, adding cool things. And we are gonna be adding some really cool things like transitions and other things like our green screen video. We're gonna talk about that here in a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go to video transitions. We're gonna select dissolve and then drag in the cross dissolve to the beginning and end of the clip so it fades in and out. It's gonna look like this right here. We're gonna have a fade in at the beginning and a fade in at the end. Okay. Let's go over here and we'll do that. video transitions, like I said. Dissolve, like I said, and we're going to drag in across dissolve, click and drag to the top of the video, and you'll know it's there because it adds that little thing to the beginning. And then we're going to drag it to the end as well. So now if I go to play it, again, you just click the space bar. As our video, it fades in and it fades out, right? So it shows our video, our summer forest, fades into our ocean, and then fades out of our ocean back to our regular video. Okay, cool. Okay, now that we've added transitions, now you know how to add in these cool transitions. There's a bunch of other ones. Obviously, we have the immersive video, Iris. There's all sorts of really, really, really cool things that you can use. But next, what we're going to do is we're going to drag in the green screen video. Oh, let's see here. Drag in the green screen video and put it on top of the summer forest video, and then shorten the green screen video so it ends when the forest video does. Okay, kind of like we have right here. And then I think we're going to fade it in as well. So let's go back over here to our Media Bay area. Let's see if I can. That doesn't look very good. Okay, anyways, we're going to drag this in. See if I can make this smaller. There we go. I'm going to drag in a green screen video. Okay, it's right here. I'm going to move this back down so you guys can see a little bit better. Again, this is how you zoom in on it. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the end. I'm not holding anything. I can just drag it in. Okay. Okay. We're going to go over here. I'm going to skip one step. We're going to come back to this. The next step is we're just going to drag in across this all to the beginning of the green screen video. So it fades in. So let's do that first. Since I already have that open, I'm going to drag this in to the beginning of the green screen video. So now if we watch it, over summer forest video, fade in and out, fade in, fade out, and then we fade into our green screen video. Which now we're going to talk about how to get rid of the green screen. We're going to come up here, like it says. We're going to go to the effects. We're going to search Ultra and drag in the Ultra key to the green screen video. Okay, let's search Ultra. We're going to drag it in. And then we're going to go to the effect controls, which is where we were for video edit number 1 when we changed the color of the text for the video. And we're going to drag in the eyedropper for key color and click on a green screen in the background and it should remove it. Okay. So we search Ultra, we found an Ultra key, we dragged it in already. It's over here. It'll probably look like this the first time you open it. Again, click on effect controls. We're going to go to the Ultra key and we're going to go to the key color. We're going to get this eyedropper and we're going to click here. And now our green screen is gone. So now if we watch it, we have our summer forest. We're going to fade into the ocean. Then we're going to fade out. We're fading in our T-Rex, which was a green screen video, but it's on top of our summer forest, so it looks really, really, really cool. Like it's there. So that's it. It'll look like it does below here. I have it. This is the same thing I have over here. I'll try to. There we go. This looks the exact same as what we have over here. Here's a summer forest. We have our background video faded in, faded out. Our green screen shortened so it's the same length as our summer forest. We faded it in. And again, we got rid of the green screen by dragging in the Ultra key. We use the key color eyedropper. We clicked in the green screen background to get rid of it. So now we're going to save it. File save. And we're going to click export. Again, let's go ahead and export it as our name, number 2. Always, always, always click on this little blue guy here to change the location. Make sure it's on the desktop so you can find it. Click save. This doesn't really matter. It'll probably already be on just like match source. Whenever I'm uploading to like Facebook for our school newspaper page or YouTube for the YouTube page, I always change that to the YouTube or the Facebooks or whatever. But it doesn't really matter as long as it's H.264, which is MP4. So We're going to click export. You can save it, you can turn it in, and that is video edit number 2.